naririnig. Pero we're gonna watch Inside Out 2 sa power plant in care of our school. So, nasa LRT station na kami going to. We're now in Gateway. Pupunta na kami MRT para sumakay ng tren pagpalis. Feeling it! We arrived na sa Guadalupe. Sakay na kami ng jeep papuntang Rockwell. Hindi namin alam yung daan. So, good luck to us. Nasa Rockwell na kami, guys. Medyo nahihiya ako mag-vlog. We're done watching Inside Out. But weren't able to like take videos a while ago because I was too shy. How do you guys feel sa Inside Out 2?
Okay lang. I like anxiety.
I like anxiety. That's my personality. Ngayon pupunta kaming MOA kasi wala lang. Tutor naman siya. Hi guys! Welcome to Guada Station going to Taft. We're going to MOA for I don't know what reason. Hi! Sobrang hirap na rin kung maghanap ng kakainan. Finally, dito na kami sa Thunderbobs. Thunderbobs po yung nabili namin kakainan. So, tingnan na lang mamaya yung food namin. They're busy taking photos of whatever, I don't know. Their food is here. What's your food? It's pork chop. And then her food is chicken steak. Yeah, it looks good. Do you like your food? I haven't tried it yet. But yeah, it looks good. It looks good. But my food ain't here yet. I'm so hungry. My food is here. We're gonna eat now. The food's all done. She's not yet done eating. She's the slow eater. Hindi ko din alam, ba't ako nag-i-English? Vlog ko lang naman to. Busog ka na? Ano, my face so big. Hi, today namin sa matapos lang namin mag-launch. So, slowly, lalakad-lakad na. We are now going to S-Miles. Ang sobrang safe. Naglalakad kami. And sobrang pagod na kami. Kaya kanina pa kami naglalakad. Hindi guys, we're so pagod na po kami. Kanina pa kami naglalakad. So we decided na pumunta na lang ng Moai. We're going there. Sa Moai na kami. And alam nyo ba, fun fact, dito nag-picture si DK sa, wait lang I'll show you. Sa part na to, at yung spot ni DK, super popular siya among carrots during Be The Sun. Pero mabaho dito. Mabantat lang na konti. Pero kakayanin. Ano yan? And now, naglalakad na kami. Pero sobrang init guys. Wala ba dito like bike or something? Maganda lighting dito. Hala! First time ko siya. Bakit ano? Who said? Hi guys, andito ako sa likod. Passenger princess ang atake. Ito yung nanay namin. Siya po yung nanay namin. Bawal na pumunta sa seaside. Pero pupunta kami sa seaside. Tapos magkadalapla. Luhay ate girl. Ate girl. O sa magluhay-luhay. Ate girl, ang nalawgon ko nagkairima na naman sa mga ate girl. So, ako yung taong hindi nagsasalita. Yung nanay namin, andun siya. Andun siya sa likod. Ayaw niya daw kasi maganto kasi daw hindi daw siya marunong. This vlog that I'm doing is, I don't know, para na lang sa sarili ko. Kasi I'm not a good, vlogger. So, might as well just make like a digital diary. And here she is! Say hi to my vlog. Hi vlog, show your face. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko ito ma-edit. Here she is again. Ganda ka dyan, ate girl. Tama ba on? Okay, ako naman ngayon ang passenger princess. Kasi, siya naman yung nagdadrive. Leading the way. I'm the passenger princess now. At ayan siya, nag-video. Hoy! Hoy! Visit ka! Huwag mong ibabangga. Hindi tayo covered ng insurance. Huwag nabangga ka dyan. Yung video ko siya para sa inyo. O, diba? Para siyang model ng cream silk. Slay! Slayer! Can you see the map? Ay, Max Theater! What the? Okay, toot! Hindi pala pwede magmura. Rated PG lang. They're learning how to bike and a lot of people are biking around here. Yes, yes. We're going home because we're so tired. On our way home. Hi guys. Ito na ang last namin trend. Pero hindi pa. Punta pa kami balik-balik para bumili ng ulam. Sobrang pagod na mga hulas na ang first time.